So we have characteristics of our tangent and cotangent. Our tangent and cotangent pieces have similar characteristics because they are the reciprocals of each other. So what we look at is that the domain of tangent is all real numbers except for every pi over 2, because the asymptotes are at every pi over 2 for tangent. Now domain is all real numbers except for all multiples of pi, which those are the asymptotes, which you guys saw in the prior video. So this isn't necessarily something you have to list out, but it's something you need to know. The range is all real numbers. The reason why is because you see it going up to infinity. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's not capped at 1 like sine and cosine are. Therefore, they don't have an amplitude because they don't end. They do have an A. The A is a stretch factor that is stretching it vertically, so we will get to that next. The period of the graph is pi, and then the x-intercepts for tangent occur at every pi multiple, and then the x-intercepts for cotangent occur at every pi over 2 multiple, which those are flipped from the asymptotes on each. Next up, we're going to be looking at adding in the a and b variables, which is that vertical stretch and that horizontal stretch, or shrink in both cases.